Okay, so welcome to Chemistry Form 2. The first topic that we're going to talk about is the elements and periodic table, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so I trust you covered all the topics in Form 1. Did you cover it or you read some of this?
No, we covered all of them.
You covered all, right, okay. So I remember this topic starts with the elements and then talk about the periodic table. But the main syllabus on this topic is about the patterns or the trends in periodic table. So we'll talk about the atomic radius, we'll talk about the electronegativity, we'll talk about electron affinity, we'll talk about ionization energy. So that's the main syllabus for this. And of course, we'll talk about some properties, physical or chemical properties of the elements of periodic table. Nde tikambalina kuti munali ngukumbusana mbuyo pang'ono ndikuziwa kuti I think munaphunzira zokhudza structure of an atom, right? Did you talk about that? Structure of an atom. Yes, so
Yes.
perfect. So you talk about the structure of an atom. So yes, where we are saying that an atom normally has got a nucleus, right? Yes, a nucleus. After the nucleus, we also have what?
Protons and neutrons.
Yes, protons and neutrons. And after that, we also have what? The shells, right?
Electrons.
Yes, the electrons, right. So let me just have that reminder to say, let us just look at the structure. Just a reminder, right? A vision, Pangono. Vision, which is the structure of an atom. So in Form 2, basically, in Form 1, you were saying that an atom has got the nucleus. Should I say the nucleus, right? And also has got the energy levels, right?
Yes.
Energy levels, or what? Or shells, right? Yes, electrons, all those kind of things, electrons and protons and neutrons, right?
Yes.
Perfect. So you did all these kind of things. That's super. So let us just look at an example on the structure of an atom. So normally we have this small one as a what?
As a nucleus.
The nucleus. Then you have a bigger one. We have also, of course, we can have so many as it depends. Like this, right? Yeah, so this one is what you got as the nucleus, right?
Yes.
Nucleus, while these two guys, the shells, right?
Yes.
Perfect. So these are the shells. These are the shells or the energy levels, and you also learned about these things, right? What are these?
Electrons.
Yes, they are electrons. Perfect. Okay. These are the electrons. Electrons. And of course here you have the protons and the neutrons, right? Like this. Neutrons have got zero charge of zero, while protons have got positive charge, right? Yeah, so normally they say in a good my electrons here, they move in the energy levels or the shells, right? Zimene zo zimene ankagamba tili ku form 1. Okay, so today we'll talk about the elements and the periodic table. So normally, what is an element? What is an element? Alright, so we have an element and then we also have what you got as what? Compound, right? Yes. So element normally it's a substance made of what?
One atom.
Yes, one atom, right? Like that. So we have so many examples of elements like what?
Like hydrogen.
Yes, hydrogen, carbon, right? Oxygen. While a compound is made up of 2 or more elements, right?
Yes.
Yes, like what?
Water.
Yes, like water. Water is H2O, right? It's made up of hydrogen and oxygen, right? Perfect. So a periodic table is just a table that shows the arrangement of these elements in order of their numbers. So you talked about atomic number, right?
Yes.
Yes, you talked about atomic number, and you also talked about atomic mass, right? Yes, let us just remind this one. What is atomic number? It's a number of what?
Number of protons.
Right. What about atomic mass? Atomic mass is total number of what? Total number of what?
Number of protons.
Total number of protons and what?
Neutrons.
So normally atomic number is big than atomic mass, right? Right?
Yes.
Okay, so atomic number is the number of electrons in short, or protons. Alright? Yes, number of protons in an atom, it's atomic number in short, or the electrons. While the mass number is the total number of protons and neutrons, right?
Yes.
Well, this one is the number of protons. So, if we go to a periodic table, we arrange the elements according to their number of protons, right? Perfect. So let me just see the sample of periodic table. Periodic table. So normally, let me just draw it. That's now the few periodic table. So just have to know, okay, number 1, it's hydrogen. Number 2, it's helium. So you make yourself. I hope you already memorized this one, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's perfect. If you did memorize, that's perfect. So we can say hydrogen, helium, lithium, barium. Just know what each element is and what is its number, right? That's perfect. So I want us to look at some of the things that are very, very important. So the thing is, as we move across, like if you are to move like this one, these are what? These are what?
Groups.
Okay, perfect. They are groups, of course. But this is yes, group 1. This is group 2, right?
Yes.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, right? Then you have periods. My groups together, zachonchi kutsika mu vertical. Zachonchi, these are periods, right?
Yes.
So these are periods. So I have period number 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? That's perfect. So I hope you also did about arranging the electrons in an atom, right? Did you talk about that?
Arranging
Yes.
the electrons in what?
Yes, in an atom. Arrangement of electrons in an atom. Did you talk about that?
We learned about the configuration. Is it the same?
Yes, configuration. You talked about that, right? What about drawing? Drawing. So, yes, for number 1, hydrogen. It means you draw, right? Like this one. This nucleus or an egg. Let's include this one. I think I'm drawing eggs, right? This one and then this one. Okay. Perfect. So the thing is, hydrogen. How many? What's the atomic number of hydrogen?
1.
It's 1. Perfect. So yes, the lu wina kuti tikalima ngati makazinga kwayambirira. Nucleus makazinga
Kandi ziwiri.
Kuma hydrogen ayindika modzi. Tika tiwiri ngati. Just have to put 1, right? So this is for hydrogen, right? Hydrogen.
Yes.
That's perfect. So let's draw for sodium. Sodium is number, yeah? $11, right?
Sodium. Yes.
Yes, 11. So first of all, we'll draw a nucleus, right? With how many?
1.
1?
2.
2. So we draw 2. So out of 11, the kananga?
9.
9. Okay. So we also have another shell, right? So we draw, we put how many?
8.
8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? We are remaining with what?
1.
1. Are we going to put 8 or 1?
No.
Just 1, right? Okay.
We're going to put this.
Just 1 like this. Okay, that's perfect. So this is for sodium. Okay, perfect. So we draw like this one. So you also proceed with potassium and lithium. Okay. So the thing is, the configuration now. Configuration now is telling us, okay, let's say electron configuration. Yeah. Sodium. ndekuti kuenda kuti okay mkati nga
Ngati mukhala 11
no okay mkati mulinga mwasaliamo
ziwiri
2 kenaka shalo inayo
8
kenaka inayo
1
okay so tikambirira apana kuti the meaning number of shells pachita imamena cha
number of shells
yes
ya sodium yo
no of an element number of shells right number of shells is equal to
is equal to group number
period right period number okay what about the number of valence electrons what is valence electrons is equal to akunjao manamba akunja electrons o valence akunjao amamena ya
group number
yes group number okay they stand for group number that's perfect group number all right so these are very important things that you have to know number of electrons number of shells equals period number of valence electrons equals group number okay
yes
so let me just give an exercise for this one so tomorrow tizamba sana kuona ma trains in periodic table like atomic radius all right okay have you seen it so in which group of a periodic table is the element belong okay very soon so state the atomic structure and then write down its electron configuration and then state the period of the element. I think you do it right. Okay, so next time we will start now looking at trends in periodic table, which is very important. So we'll talk about the atomic radius. Yes, we'll talk about so many things like that. Okay. Okay, perfect. Remember? Have you written? The table in bed?
yes yes
Perfect. So that's the end of the class. If you have written, that's the end of the class. Okay.